Welcome back to Maths in an Empty Classroom with me, Mr. Southern. This is part 3 of the lesson on recurrence relations. So, third example, a sequence is defined by un plus 1 equals 2 minus 4 over un, and u1, the first term, is 3. So we've done an example with a, an example with x, now an example with u. They all denote a sequence. So, the first thing we're being asked to do, find the values of, firstly, u2. So, u2 is going to be 2 minus 4 over u1, and I know that u1 is 3. So 2 take away 4/3 is 2/3. So that is u2. u3 is going to be 2 minus 4 over u2, which is 2/3. Now 4 divided by 2/3 is 6. 2 take 6 is negative 4. So u3 is negative 4. Now, next one, u4 is 2 minus 4 over u3, which is negative 4. So 4 divided by negative 4 is going to be negative 1. 2 subtract negative 1 is 3. So u4 is 3. And I'm just going to jot those things up here because I'm going to need them later on. It will also allow me to spot a bit of a pattern. I had 2/3, negative 4 and 3. And what you'll notice is that u4, I'm back to the same result as u1. And because this is an iteration, what that actually means is that pattern is just going to keep repeating. So you may have thought, oh, strange that we're only asked for u61. Rather than calculating every single term up to that, we need to look at a pattern. So we have that u1 is 3, that u2 is negative 4, and that u2 is 2/3, and that u3 is negative 4. Now, what that means is that u6 is going to be negative 4, u9 is going to be negative 4. All the multiples of 3 are going to come out as negative 4. So u60 is going to come out as negative 4, which means that u61, after negative 4, we get back to 3. So u61 is also going to be 3. So if you're confronted with something like that and you think that's a large number of terms to go to, don't think, right, I've got to work out everything in between. You've just got to see if there's a pattern going on, and there is a pattern happening in this sequence here. Right, last little bit, I'm just going to clear this. I've got the information I need in my blue box at the top right. We're asked for a sum, and again, it's about pattern spotting. So part C is asking us to find the sum from 1 to 99 of the sequence. And again, what I need to think is, okay, well, u1 is 3, u2 is 2/3, and u3 is negative 4. And that pattern keeps repeating every 3 terms. So if I'm going up to 99 terms, then I'm going to get this pattern 33 times until I get to 99. So all I need to do is find the sum of these 3 numbers and multiply it by 33. So if I do 3 plus 2/3 plus negative 4, that comes out as negative 1/3. So if I do 33 times by negative 1/3, the sum to 99 terms is going to be negative 11. So just like in part B, it's not about working out loads and loads of terms and adding them up. It's about seeing if we can spot a pattern in what's happening with the numbers in the sequence and using that to cut down on our workload. Thanks for your time.